What is up, you guys? It's God Hero, and today's episode 3 of Road to Max Town Hall 8. And first, what I wanted to show you is my base that I upgraded all my walls to level 7. Finally, all of them are done. And my wizard tower to level 4 will be done in 16 hours and 42 minutes. And my giant to level 5 will be done in 1 day and 10 hours. For you I got 4 raids, 1 live, 3 replays today, and let's quickly watch our warlock. We're just losing it, what the fuck, anyone is 1 attack. And this clan is level 5 to level 1, that's really stupid. So we watched Clan Wars, and now let's do live attack. And I'll be back when I find one. Back. I think we're gonna attack this one because there's some of the gold. And let's just circle our barbarians in a right and find circle. Let's put down our barbarian king and let's do the archers now. I can see some of the archers went for the barracks. I don't know why this guy put his barracks in the walls. And for now everything is looking fine. Let's get the barbarian king's ability. And they just broke in the central compartment. And barbarian king, come on, do the faster, dude. No, we won't lose it. Barbarian king can do this one on his own if he won't get too close for the archer tower. No, barbarian king, go fuck away. Go fuck away from the archer tower, no. Oh my god, that was a fail. That was a fail. Waste of a unit. Well, the replays aren't so fairly. Let's watch first one. The first one is 200k, and again barbarians in a circle and archers will come. Follow them. Barbarians in a circle. Next, archers coming up right after barbarians and destroying the base, getting all of the juicy elixir. And this is a Japanese or Chinese noob, an active base, or he's just farming hardcore and just wanted to get all of his loot from the mines and pumps, but he will be upset when he comes back to his place. Next raid will be a little better, but not perfect. And all of this I was attacking this, and I practically attacked these bases and used all of the loot what I get on these bases on just walls and elixir on one barracks to level 9. I can see again archers and barbarians. I'm using just barbarians first, the next archers, destroying, demolishing this nice loot. 600k, you're joking? That's epic. In total 600k, but the next raid, guys, it's even more epic than this one. And let's end the battle right here, and let's watch next raid, the finalist of the finalist, and the most epic raid that I got. Not the most, I got 1 million K in total. 1 million in total, but on now it's 800k in total, 500k of gold. That's seriously big loot. And nothing much, just putting my barbarians and archers in a circle. Army camps just was a waste of ton of barbarians, but no worries, I put down my barbarian king to help out the archers, and he's going for the wizard tower. Next will be the gold wall, and he will destroy the wizard tower while the archers take the archer tower down and the elixir storage. Here the last archer took it down, the last elixir storage. First gold storage is down, and the barbarian king is working on the destruction. He didn't even make a hit on that gold storage, but still I get all of the loot, 800k. That's pretty amazing loot. And last archers moving in, and they got destroyed by the wizard tower, but I'm pretty happy, 99% and 800k loot. Now that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.